What to avoid in SEO? In recent years, a number of illicit techniques have grown up to artificially manipulate a website's ranking. These techniques are referred to as spamming or sometimes black hat techniques. The core of any spamming technique is the attempt to deceive the search engine and ultimately the site visitor about the true nature of a website's content. The question is whether spamming techniques actually deliver any long-term benefit. In addition, it is known that using prescribed spamming techniques can get the spammer, their client sites and organization delisted by the major search engines. It has happened publicly in the past and the search engines, particularly Google, place great emphasis on their warnings. Google even has a page for reporting spamming offenders. Here, we are going to discuss some types of illicit SEO or spamming techniques. Keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is a technique of excessively using lots of keywords with express intention of influencing the search engines. Quite often, this use appears in an incomprehensible or ungrammatical manner. Keyword stuffing is often used in conjunction with other spamming techniques such as cloaking, doorway sites, hidden text and tiny text. Cloaking. Cloaking is a technique whereby the website visible to a site visitor is entirely different from that seen by a search engine spider. The ordinary user may see one set of text and images, but underneath that image or cloak, the site is stuffed with keywords. By examining the cache of a cloak site on the Google search results, we can see that the site shows entirely different information to the spider from that shown to the human eye. Doorway sites. A doorway site is a site that acts as a referring page for another site. The doorway page is highly optimized, containing hidden links and keywords that the ordinary web user never sees. The doorway sites then climbs the search engine rankings but redirects all of its traffic to the target and perhaps poorly optimized site. Mirror sites. Mirror sites use an alternative URL to the target site but contain identical content. With automated page production, there may be hundreds of different URLs all with the same content. This technique is sometimes referred to as domain duplication. Hidden text. The technique here is to fill or stuff a page with keywords invisible to the naked eye. This is done by using the same color for text as for the background page. This technique is sometimes referred to as WOW, short for white on white. Tiny text. Tiny text is a technique of using very small text that is barely visible to the human eye. This text can be read by the engines. However, the engines will also attribute this text as spam. Link spamming. In many respects, due to the increasing influence of links, it was inevitable that link spamming would become an issue. Spamming of links has been a growing problem as many people have realized the importance that Google in particular places on links. As a significant issue, it raised its head in April 2005 when Google's new release appeared to ban one of the leading SEO firms from its rankings. Comment spam. Related to link spamming is comment spam. Comment spam is where a spammer visits a publicly accessible site and deposits a comment with an anchor text link back to a designated site. Forums and blogs are typical target. This activity also became identified as a major problem in January 2005 when Google took steps to prevent it from the blogs of blogger.com.